split that atom into A, B, and C. The center of an atom is called the nucleus. Nucleus is how to say nucleus. The science of the nucleus is called nuclear physics. Nucleus. Nuclear physics. The bits that come out of an atom when a nuclear bomb explodes are called nuclear radiation. Radiation. Yeah, there are lots of different types of radiation. My voice gives off sound radiation, so when someone says radiation, you needn't go, oh no, you mean nuclear radiation. No. Sound radiation is safe. Light radiates. Radiation just means moving out from the center to get to many bits. Just making sure you can see that. Nuclear radiation is called atomic radiation. Oh. One nuclear bomb was enough in it had enough energy. No, one nuclear bomb has enough energy to destroy a city. In 1945, oh, you can't see that. Going up and out. In 1945, 2 Japanese cities were destroyed by 2 American nuclear bombs at the end of World War II. Yeah, some people are saying, oh, it was bad, and other people were saying, yeah, but all the lives of soldiers, and Japanese soldiers and civilians that would have gone if they hadn't have done that. It was a show of superior weaponry, and the Japanese gave up. The waste from nuclear power stations emits harmful radiation for thousands of years. Yeah, so it's a problem with nuclear power stations. France has got lots and lots. But, you know, all power stations have problems so far. Radiate means to go in every direction. Light and sound radiate in every direction. So does nuclear radiation. Nuclear radiation can cause cancer if you get more than your white blood cells can deal with. Yeah, because it's the word new and clear. The first particle of nuclear radiation discovered was called A. To make it sound clever, scientists used the ancient Greek first letter of the alphabet called alpha. Alpha is how to spell alpha. Symbol, that's an alpha. That's a Greek alpha. Alpha was the first particle discovered because it is the biggest, and so it is the easiest to detect. Yeah, our alphabet comes from the Greek alphabet. That's why their A looks like our A. Our A was just simplified from theirs. Alpha has atomic weight 4 and is 2 positive plus 2. The plus 2 charge comes from the alpha's 2 protons. Alpha particles are made of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. That's where the 4 come from. The 2 protons and 2 neutrons give alpha weight 4. Alpha is the same as a helium nucleus, but going very fast. Yeah, helium nucleus has also got 2 protons, 2 neutrons. The second particle discovered was called beta. B. B was called beta. The Greek alphabet for beta looks like a B. Particle. Yeah, parts of an atom are called particles. Beta is the second letter in the Greek alphabet. Alpha and beta make the word alphabet. You can see there's the word alpha and there's the word near most of the word beta. Alphabet is called alphabet after the two Greek letters alpha and beta. Beta has atomic weight 1/2000th. 1/2000. Oh yeah, alpha and BF. Protons and neutrons. Protons have atomic weight 1. Neutrons have atomic weight 1. Betas, well, because it's 1/2000th, or more accurately 1,872th. We tend to ignore the weight. It's negligible. We can ignore the weight of electrons when we're finding out how heavy atoms are. And just count the protons and neutrons. It's a lot easier. This is so little weight compared with alpha that it is often rounded out of calculations. Something so small that is rounded away is called negligible. Negligible. Beta's weight is negligible. Beta's charge is -1, -1. Beta particles are electrons going billions of times faster than usual. Yes, they only go a few centimeters, but they go very fast. The next nuclear radiation discovered wasn't a particle, it was a ray. It was called gamma because gamma, guess it, which part of the Greek alphabet is gamma going to be? Gamma is the third letter of the Greek alphabet. It did make sense. Gamma is a ray, so it has 0 weight. That's a Greek letter gamma. Atomic weight is called atomic mass. Yeah, why do we have two words or phrases meaning the same thing? More than one scientist was involved inventing this stuff, so you know. Atomic mass is called relative atomic mass. There you go, there's 3 ways of saying mass, how heavy something is. Gamma has 0 atomic weight. Yeah, because it's a ray. And no charge, because it's a ray. But can go through anything. Going through things is called penetration. Penetration. Gamma can penetrate anything. Yeah, lead slows it down. And concrete also. Ah, there you go. 1 centimetre of lead or 1 metre thick concrete will stop half of it. Doubling the thickness halves how much gamma penetrates through. 2 centimetres of lead or 2 metres of concrete will only let a quarter through. Alpha can only penetrate the thin skin of your lungs or your small intestine. Oh, don't need the word only there. Normal skin stops alpha. Beta is stopped by a sheet of aluminium. Yes, so if you're a knight in armour, you're fine against beta. In order to be fine against gamma, you have to have lead armour. You'd never be able to walk around, it'd be too heavy. Beta is stopped by a sheet of aluminium. Or be in an aeroplane, you'll be fine. Aluminium. Aluminum in the USA. How many ions a particle array makes is called its ionization. Ionization. Gamma has an ionization of 1. Yeah, gamma doesn't do much ionization. Lots and lots of it, and you're in trouble. But ionizing DNA causes cancer. They are trouble. Beta has an ionization of 100. Yeah. Beta particles are 100 times more dangerous than gammas. But, you know, betas can be stopped by just some aluminium. Beta is 100 times more dangerous than gamma. Alpha, oh yeah, doesn't penetrate very far because it smashes everything up. That's why. Alpha has an ionization of 10,000. 100 times more cancer causing than beta. If it goes through thin, it only goes through thin skin. Alpha only goes through thin skin. Change there. Gamma is an electromagnetic ray like X-rays, but higher frequency, so more dangerous. Yeah, you can get cancer from X-rays if you get enough. One X-ray a week, your white blood cells can handle that. But if you had 10 X-rays a day, like the very first radiotherapist people in hospitals, they all died of cancer because they had too many X-rays hit them. Smoke detectors. That's why your radiotherapists nowadays leave you in the room, you'll be fine, they go next door, they'll be fine. If they stayed with you, after about 10 every day, they'd be in trouble. Smoke detectors contain the man-made element americanum, which emits alpha particles. When smoke stops the alpha particles, the alarm goes off. Particles. The first atomic radiation discovered was called alpha. Oh, I forgot the L. Radiation. Low levels of nuclear radiation is emitted by nuclear waste. From atomic bombs or from nuclear power stations. The nuclear power stations that make your electricity for thousands of years. Yeah. A is alpha. Atomic weight 4. Charge +1 +2 for an alpha because it's got 2 protons. Penetration, thin skin, ionization 10,000. Beta, atomic weight 1/2000th, that's rounding it to the nearest thousandth. Charge -1 because it's a fast moving electron. Penetration, thin metal. Yeah, it doesn't have to be aluminium. Any metal will do. Ionization, 100. Gamma. Atomic weight 0. Charge 0. Yeah, because it's a wave. Penetration, infinite. Oh, penetration. Oh, I've messed up my spelling there. Ionization 1. Cool!